The quest for the Ashanti throne in the heart of West Africa. Nestled between the ancient trees and whispering winds, lies the legend of the Ashanti throne. And unity to the warring kingdoms of the Ashanti and Ewe. Our story begins with Prince Kwame, a noble and brave young man, destined to lead his people. Prince Kwame, I must find the Ashanti throne. It is the only way to end the conflict and bring harmony to our land. And Princess Efua, a wise and compassionate leader, who shares the same dream of peace. Princess Efua, the Ashanti throne will unite our kingdoms. We must embark on this quest together. Together, Prince Kwame and Princess Efua set out on a journey that will test their love and courage. The path is fraught with challenges, treacherous paths, fierce creatures, and rival warriors seeking to claim the throne for themselves. Prince Kwame, we fight for peace and unity. We will not be deterred. Princess Efua, stand firm, Kwame. Together, we are stronger. Through every trial, their bond grows stronger, their determination unwavering. Prince Kwame, Efua, with you by my side, I know we can overcome any obstacle. Princess Efua, and I with you, Kwame. For the future of our people, we must succeed. Finally, after many hardships, they discover the hidden temple. The resting place of the Ashanti throne. In that moment, they understand the true power of the throne not just as a symbol, but as a testament to their love, courage, and unity. With the Ashanti throne, Prince Kwame and Princess Efua bring peace and unity to their kingdoms, forever remembered as the leaders who overcame adversity to achieve a dream shared by many. And so, the legend of the Ashanti throne lives on, a story of love, courage, and the unyielding quest for unity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe for more incredible tales from history and legend. Please subscribe, like and share with your friends and family, and visit our websites www.orensblackmuseum.com and www.orenzebooks.com. God bless you. And may the rest of your life be the best of your life. Oren Z.